Now click on clone button. If we clone, we need to click on this and then we need to add QA. After QA adding, just save it, save, and then close this. In these jobs, we need to change the service connection. QA, QA, and QA. Same way here also. QA, QA. In this secret key also QA. And then save and OK. Yes, in the pre-deployment support, click on this one. It's enable. So I am adding my mail ID only. Okay. Then save. So it will deploy. See here it shows here also you can see each and everything. If you put here for pre-deployment we can't write. Okay, we will remove this pre-deployment on dev. It's better to put on QA. So while deploying on QA, it asks once the dev is finishes only deploy on QA. So I am adding my name here and then save. Okay, let's change the code now. Edit. We'll add new one here. Deploying on dev and QA namespaces. Okay, it's done now. Click on commit changes. We'll see whether the build pipelines build automatically or not. Okay, we'll build it again. Yeah, build pipeline build is started now. Build job is started. Waiting for the agent pool. Once agent pool is assigned to the build job, then automatically it will trigger and then deploy on ACR. We can see the latest is 8. We can see 9 as a tag. Yeah, we can refresh here. We can see 9 and the version control name. Okay, now it's completed. Release pipeline needs to started here. Refresh. Release 1 is there now. It should start a release 2 because it's an automation, right? Release 2 it needs to be started. Yeah, release 2 is started and the stages are 2 stages. So it's in queue. It is also in queue. Open this. Yeah, in dev you can see deployment has been started. Okay, if you want to cancel, you can cancel this. You're deploying on dev environment. So it's successfully deployed. So it's waiting for an approval. Okay, so let's see the deployment is successful or not. Dev instance is successful. We'll take the dev instance external load balancer IP address. access. So this is an older deployment and now it's a new deployment. We need to add one more. See, deploying on dev and QA namespace added successfully. Okay, in the connections, in connections, like in pipeline, it's showing waiting for an approval, right? Pending approval. So we'll go to the mail. Mail also it will come. Okay, opening a mail. See, pre-pod release QA is coming here. So from here you also you can approve it, or else if you have an access to site also you can approve from here. See, if I approve here, I mean approved. Done. So waiting for an agent pool which is available. So it started now. Yeah, I think it is successfully deployed on QA also. Let's check once it is deployed. Yeah, it deployed on QA also successfully. We'll take the external IP from here. From PowerShell also we can find out QA. Same IP 39C. Okay, in the next step we are going to do staging and prod also. We'll do one edit release pipeline, edit this. So clone, it should be like staging. Okay, under the staging jobs we need to change, right? staging, copy, copy, paste. Copy, copy, copy. Okay, and save. Pipeline, it also we need to change, right? QA, save, pipeline. So once staging is done, we need to let me clone from QA only. So it is prod, production environment. In this production environment, prod, prod, build select production. Okay, okay. And then we change here also. Everything we need to change with respective names. Okay, save. Okay, go to pipelines. So here, so we have enabled the once QA is done, then we need to trigger the staging. For staging, here we need to select QA. Okay, and then we need to approve pre-deployments approval. Okay, first we'll do one thing. Instead of here trigger QA, we can put it as dev only. After product, once again, I lost some mistake here. Production, we need to select QA. Yes, save. Okay, staging. Okay, QA only. On production, we are selecting QA only. Okay, QA and the pre-deployment prod is Vikrant. So here staging we will select dev only instead of QA. Yeah, it's good. It looks good come when compared to previous one. Okay, then create a release now. Yeah, release 3 is being created now. It's all on queued. Only dev is queued. Going to deployed. The QA, prod, staging is not deployed. Okay. So for each and every environment, it's taking some time to deploy the artifacts and the namespaces. So deployment is success. QA I will need to approve. So parallelly we can't approve the both at a time because in my condition I have selected single parallel jobs only. So once QA is done, then I can approve staging. You can check it out. Dev namespace is working. Yes. Now pipeline is running QA. A QA is also success. Before going to production, I need to approve in staging. Approved. So QA is this one, right? Yeah, working fine. QA also. So staging build has been queued. Release is in progress. Yeah, staging also going to be success now. Yeah, finalize the job. Yeah, staging also success. I'm upping production environment also. Okay, staging, we go to logs, and job, deploy to staging environment. We need to get the external load balancer IP address. See, this is external load balancer IP address. From command line also we can get it. Staging. Yeah, 254 is 254 now. Okay, whether it is deployed or not. Yeah, production is in progress. Yeah, finally production namespace also is successfully deployed. We need to check, get the 254 same IP address. No, sorry, I'm taking staging. Sorry, go to pipelines, release 3, production, view logs, agent, success on prod environment. Come down, yeah, you can see the load balancer, external load balancer IP address 17. So this is the prod environment. So from PowerShell also we can get it prod. Okay, successfully we have achieved our task in AKS by adding dev, QA, staging and prod namespaces, okay, with the approval basis. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box, or else you can drop a mail to my mail id victron.devops18@gmail.com. Okay, thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel and give me the support for doing more videos. Have a great day. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.